Hi, gang. This is Boomer. Well, the end is nearing for Donald Trump. I can almost guarantee it. I was very, very happy to see the Supreme Court decision on his tariffs today. 6-3, crushing blow, absolutely crushing blow to Trump's central, he identifies with tariffs, and the Supreme Court found that a good number of them, not all, but a very, very high number of them are simply just not legal within the bounds of the law. So a crushing blow to his tariff program, which has been, of course, the laughingstock of the world, and a world of hurt to Americans, especially small business, supply chain businesses, and taxpayers. I believe the Wall Street Journal said earlier today, wrote that the tariffs were being funded by American taxpayers to the tune of 90%. 90% of the cost of these tariffs have been funded by the American taxpayers. So no more Trump, that's it. Next week, a very critical week. We're going to have the Clintons testifying before Congress. We're going to have, I believe, some very scathing news coming in from Europe on the Epstein files. Trump is just, he's hanging on by a thread, but I don't see how even his primary backers could stay with him much longer here, because this guy is just everything he touches, he messes up, he ruins. His lies are he lies about his lies now. So this guy's going, and gang, let's take it to him. Be out in the streets. I believe there's some major demonstrations next week, later in the week, especially Feb 26 to 28. I believe Washington, D.C., New York City, and quite possibly others as well. So let's stay in the streets, and listen, if we need to boycott, we're going to boycott. We're going to stop commerce in this country. Stop commerce in this country, if that's what it takes to end this evil, subhuman and his sycophants. Just the worst time in American history, modern American history, that is. But finally, gang, I believe truly it's coming to a close, and it's going to come to that close much sooner than even Trump and Navarro. By the way, this is the end of Peter Navarro. Should be the end of his Secretary of the Treasury as well. And who knows about the little devil Stephen Miller? He could well be going too. Heads are going to fly, and Trump is on the run. Let's go, gang. Let's get him. Let's run him into the ground and into the gutter. Okay? This is Boomer, and this Boomer hits different.